Good morning students. This is class for 10th maths. We are doing chapter number 10 AP arithmetic progression. Today we will do exercise 10F. So in this exercise mixed question will be there, means some terms are given, you have to apply formula that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, then formula for sum property. Then by applying these formulas you have to solve the questions and condition you have to use to make the equations. Like first question is the sixth term of an AP is 16 and the 14th term is 32. Determine the 36th term. Means T6 is given 16, then T14 is given 32. We have to find T36. Here by using this condition we will make one equation. To use this we will make second equation. Then we will find the value of A and D from these two conditions. Then that value we will use to find T36. Let us do it. Here we have formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 16 is equal to A, 16, not 16, 6 is there, 16 is the term, 6 minus 1 into D. So 16 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 is 5D. This is equation number 1. Then T14 is same formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. T14 is given 32, A plus, here we will put 14 minus 1 into D. 32 is equal to A plus 13D. This is equation number 2. So by using equation number 1 and 2 we will find the value of A and D. So write here again, A plus 5D is equal to 16, then A plus 13D is equal to 32. Subtract it. This can be cancelled, sign will be changed. 13 minus 5 is 8 with negative sign. Because 13 is greater we will consider this sign. Minus 8D, 32 minus 16 is 16. 32 is greater with the negative sign, so minus sign will be here. This will be cancelled. D is equal to 16 upon 8. By cancelling we will get D is equal to 2. So put this value in equation number 1, that is 16 is equal to A we will keep as it is, then 5, D is 2, then 16 is equal to A plus 10, then A is equal to 10, we will shift to this side. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. So now we got the value of A and D. So T36 will be A plus 1, A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 6 plus n is 36, 36 minus 1, and D is 2 here. So 6 plus 35 into 2. So 6 plus 70 is equal to 76 is the answer. So similarly other parts. So also it is given here. If the third and the ninth term of an AP is 12 and the last term is 106, find the 29th term of the AP. Then here we will use third term. If the third and the ninth term, we will make the equation for T3 and T9 of an AP term is 12. So here we will use T3 is equal to 4 and A plus 2D by applying formula, and T9 is equal to minus 8. Here one number is missed. you can check from the book also. Here it will be minus 8 here written. So a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. So by solving these two conditions, we will get the value of a and d. Then the general term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 is the d, put here d value, and a you will get the 8. Then after solving, we will get the term 5. So thus fifth term of the AP is 0. So student, here statement is, if the third term and ninth term of an AP be 4 and minus 8, T3 के लिए इक्वेशन बना लो, will be equal to 4, that will be first equation. फिर T9th के लिए बना लो, that will be minus 8. You will get the value of A and D. Then they are saying कि find which term is 0, कौन से term 0 है. तो फिर आपने उसके बाद टी पी के लिए बना लो, ठीक है, टी पी pth term. Then here you will write p, a value you got 8 here. फिर उन्होंने पूछा कौन से टर्म 0 है, तो टर्म हमें पता नहीं, n-1 and d you got -2. here we will put 0. तो 8 प्लस n की जगह पे p लिखोगे, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड p. यू कैन राइट आल्सो हेयर कि लेट pth टर्म इज 0. सो p -1 into -2. so here this is 0. 8 plus then -2p minus plus 2. so 8 plus 2 is 10. so -2p plus 10 is equal to 0. then -2p is equal to -10. this is cancel. p is equal to 10 upon 2, that is 5. it means your fifth term will be 0. this question meaning कि fifth term will be 0. so students, all the questions are same. you will have to try by yourself by taking the help of this assignment. that's all for today. thank you and have a